Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most popular ways to make money online, freelancing. And I'm going to show you how you can make up to $10,000 a month doing it. With the rise of the gig economy and remote work, more and more people are turning to freelancing as a way to earn a living or supplement their income. Freelancing offers a lot of flexibility and freedom, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world and set your own schedule. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are countless opportunities to offer your skills and services to clients all over the world. So, let's get started. So, first things first. What is freelancing? Freelancing is when you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. You can do it from the comfort of your own home, and there are tons of opportunities out there for freelancers. Freelancing is a great way to make money online, and it's becoming more and more popular all the time. The great thing about freelancing is that you can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This makes it a great option for people who want to travel, work from home, or just have more flexibility in their work schedule. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is that you can set your own rates. This means that if you work hard and build up a good reputation, you can charge more for your services and make more money. Of course, this also means that you need to be good at what you do and be able to deliver high-quality work to your clients. Another advantage of freelancing is that you can choose the projects you want to work on. This means that you can focus on projects that interest you and that you're good at, which can make your work more enjoyable. It also means that you can avoid projects that you don't like or that don't pay well. However, freelancing also has its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is finding clients and building up a steady stream of work. This can be especially difficult when you're just starting out. You may need to spend a lot of time marketing yourself and reaching out to potential clients before you start getting regular work. Another challenge of freelancing is that you need to be able to manage your time effectively. When you're working on multiple projects for different clients, it can be easy to get overwhelmed and lose track of deadlines. You need to be good at managing your time and staying organized if you want to be successful as a freelancer. Managing your time effectively is crucial when you're working on multiple projects as a freelancer. Here are some tips to help you stay organized and on track. Number 1. Create a schedule. Set aside specific times for each project and create a schedule that works for you. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed. Number 2. Use a task management tool. There are many task management tools available, such as Trello, Asana, or Todoist. These tools can help you keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and progress on each project. Number 3. Prioritize your tasks. Identify the most critical tasks for each project and prioritize them. This will help you focus on what's most important and ensure that you meet your deadlines. Number 4. Break down your tasks. Break down each project into smaller tasks and create a to-do list for each one. This will help you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Number 5. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by a short break. This can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Number 6. Communicate with your clients. Keep your clients informed of your progress and any potential delays. This will help you manage their expectations and avoid any misunderstandings. Number 7. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to avoid burnout. Take a walk, grab a snack, or do something else to recharge your batteries. By following these tips, you can manage your time effectively and stay on top of multiple projects. Remember that everyone has their own unique way of working, so you may need to experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. There are a number of different freelancing websites out there, like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These sites are a great way to get started as a freelancer, because they connect you with clients who are looking for the services you offer. But to really make money as a freelancer, you need to know what skills are in demand. Some of the hottest skills right now include web development, graphic design, writing, and social media management. But there are so many more options out there, so find what you're good at and market yourself accordingly. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start building your client base. One way to do this is to reach out to potential clients directly. LinkedIn is a great tool for this, because you can search for people and companies who might be interested in your services. You can also join groups related to your niche and start networking. Another way to build your client base is to create a portfolio website. This is a place where you can showcase your work and let potential clients get to know you. Make sure your website is professional and easy to navigate. And don't forget about social media. Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are all great places to promote your services and connect with potential clients. So, how much money can you really make as a freelancer? Well, the sky's the limit. Some freelancers make just a few $100s a month, while others can make upwards of $10,000 a month or more. It all depends on your skills, your marketing strategy, and how much time and effort you're willing to put in. Remember, freelancing is a business, and you need to treat it like one if you want to be successful. That means staying organized, managing your time effectively, and always delivering high-quality work. Overall, freelancing can be a great way to make money online. If you have a skill or service that's in demand, and you're willing to put in the time and effort to build up your client base, you can make a good living as a freelancer. Just remember that freelancing is a business, and you need to treat it like one if you want to be successful. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned a lot about freelancing and how you can make money online doing it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. See you in the next one.